Hello there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to use GTP4 OpenAI for free, okay? So again, open your browser, whichever browser you want. Personally, I am using Microsoft Edge as my default favorite one. Now moving on the topic, once you open your browser, I want you to type in openai.com and it will lead you to this platform or landing page. From here, you can find this button. It's try on ChatGPT Plus. Let's go for it. So technically, GPT-4 is already free to use as of now. You can type anything here. Okay, for example, when is your birthday? Something like that. You can type anything and it will reply with anything. Okay. So this is the free mode. But since we want the full version, I want you to pay your attention on the lower left part of the screen. It has the upgrade to plus version. Now from here, I have the free plan. Your current plan has available when domain is low, standard response speed, and regular model updates. Again, take note of the first part. It has available when demand is low. What if the demand is high? We won't be able to use chat or OpenAI.com anymore, right? So this is the plus plan. This is $20 per month. Personally, for me, this is a bit too much already for just an OpenAI. So it is actually a good plan, but paying $20 per month is not for me. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you how to use that version for free. Okay, this is a little workaround I'm gonna teach you guys. So okay, please pay attention. If you have a pen and paper with you, please grab it. Let's get into it. So once you're here, I want you to open a new tab. Actually, I already opened on my end, but however, let's open a new tab here. Now I want you to type this words. I want you to type confirm Microsoft Bing Chat AI 4. Once you click on that, click on the very first result. Not this one, okay? This one right here. It will give you, or it will direct you the one I opened earlier. It's this one. So it says, congratulations to our partners at OpenAI for their release of GT4 today. So Bing has a workaround. If you scroll down a little bit on the second sentence, you'll see this new Bing preview. Let's open it. So technically, Bing is giving us full access on the GPT-4 Plus version. And as you can see here, how can I say it's a full access? Check here. It has the choices that we want. The more creative, the more balanced, and the more precise one, okay? So for example, we choose creative. Type anything here that has a creative example. It will give you a creative answer. For example, give me a 2-sentence topic ideas about shopping. Okay, now I'm gonna copy this one so I can give you the exact difference of creative, balance, and precise. Okay, so this is the creative one. Let me just copy this and go to precise. Let's see if it will make a difference. Okay, let's hope it does though. But technically, this is the full version of GPT-4 Plus. Perfect. See, it's actually asking us if there's anything else we need to know. It's a 2-sentence one, as I ask here, because the one earlier it gives us a lot of bullets, right? That's the creative one. So this is the accurate one, or accurate answers. Okay. So again, guys, please take note. Just open the. You just need to be in here in this one, on this platform, and just look for this phrase or sentences here. Click this link. You'll be directed to here, which is you can chat now. Again, once you open this one, I suggest you bookmark it so you won't have to look for it anymore. Okay? So that's how you use GPT-4 Plus for free. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.